Hey guys, today we're having a look at the MSI. This is the GF65, I think GF63 thin. So yeah, there's not a lot of information on the outside of this box. Let's get it out of the package and see what's inside. Okay. This is a nice looking box of MSI. True Gaming, it says there. On the sides is branded MSI. There you've got a bit of specs on the machine. This is the i7 15-inch. It's got the GTX 1650 in it, 4 gigs on that, on the graphics card, 512 SSD. I think this is an NVMe. 8 gigs of RAM, and I think we'll be installing another 8 gigs of RAM for this one. It's got Windows 65, Windows 10 Home. Yeah, all these machines actually comes with Windows 10 Home. Difficult to get machines with Windows 10 Pro. So let's see what's in the box. Good. We'll get to the machine or the laptop now. On this side you've got a power cord. This is for South Africa. And in the bottom of the box is what? Just your, there's a little, I think this is for installing a normal hard drive. Yes, a bracket for a normal hard drive, or I mean a larger SSD maybe, not a NVMe. And there's the power brick. Let's quickly have a look at that. This is looks like a 20 volt 6 amp 120 watt power supply. The connector is also one of those ones with a pin in the middle. It's a bit difficult to get stuff like this, or replacement stuff like this in our country, but yeah, I guess the manufacturers want you to buy their products directly from them. So let's have a look at the machine itself. It's got a sticker on here, which I'm not going to remove right now, but there you can see the logo, and it's very, very thin. There's a factory seal, so I guess you shouldn't break that. It's got rubber feet here. Big rubber feet. There's a lot of cooling going on here, definitely. You can see the heat pipes and stuff there. At the back of the machine you've got a HDMI port in the middle at the back. On the side you've got your audios, USBs, Type-C USB, and a LAN port. Also a place where you can lock it. And there you've got your charging port and another USB. There's a reset button or a hole also there, so you can reset the machine, because the batteries on these are also not removable. I believe you have to open up the whole machine or the whole back plate to get the battery out. Well, let's see if I can fit this into the screen, into the camera. So there we go. It's got a little piece of a cloth here to protect it from scratches. It's got a red keyboard. Don't know if it can change color or anything like that. And there you can see it's the i7 with the GeForce GTX stickers on there. So hopefully, or maybe this one can switch on. I think I'll have to maybe go and charge it first. Yeah, it's definitely not charged out of the box. So let me see if I can get it plugged in and charged a bit, and then we can see how the screen quality and whatever looks. Okay, so I went ahead. I saw that for some reason that seal just broke. I don't know why. So we took out all the screws, and they are all the same size, so it's very easy to remember what goes where. Let's lift up this cover, and there's the inside of this MSI. As you can see, motherboard, there's space there for a SSD 2.5 inch like we thought. There's the massive battery, and you've got an extra slot for RAM. It's already got that 8 gig in there, so it's not on board, it's got an 8 gig physical RAM. So this is even, I don't know if this is maybe upgradable to 32 gig then, if you could put into 16 gigs maybe. There's the little speakers. These laptops sound is also not bad normally. But yeah, one of these are the CPU, and one is the graphics card. Oh, the NVMe is also, it's a Kingston NVMe that this one came out with. So yeah, that's the inside of the machine if you wanted to know how that looks. Very easy to open up and upgrade a bit here and there. Okay, so let's take our RAM. I'm not going to be funny or anything like that. Just going to insert it straight into the machine. It's always a good idea not to touch the copper points on the RAM. This is very straightforward. You just align it, make sure that the slot is in the correct position, because it's offset to the one side, so you can only insert it one way. Once you feel it's nicely in, just push it down, and there you've got 16 gig now. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to switch it on and we'll see how the machine looks. Okay, so I'm going to just switch on the laptop quickly. That is what you get when you switch it on. The keyboard is lit up red. It's nice if you're working in a low light environment, very nice. And yeah, it's a bit difficult to see on this camera, but you've got your logo that comes up, and there we go. The laptop is switched on and everything. The camera for the what you call it, webcam, is on at the top, not at the bottom like some new laptops. But this is, yeah, very nice looking machine. I can maybe just quickly show you. This is the, when I logged in, this is the quality of the screen. It is very good quality. It's got a nice bright display, and yeah, it's working, and we're very happy with the machine. So the speed is also excellent. The NVMe on this machine is very good. So yeah, we've already done the whole setup on the machine and everything is working fine. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps a bit. Just a video quickly that I'm gonna try and well, listen to the sound.
The storms we chase are leading us. Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the waves. On
Not bad, eh? It's got good sound for a laptop. Those two little small speakers that we saw in the front, they make a good quality sound. So yeah, very happy. So oh yeah, I don't know if I said this in the unboxing, but the function button is on the right side. That's very nice. So you can do the lowering and highering of the screen brightness and volume and stuff from the function button on the right side. So when you're gaming, your control and alt buttons aren't next to the function button, and that's quite irritating on some keyboards. But yeah, so this is a well thought out laptop. Also, it doesn't have a numpad, as I said. That's a bit disappointing for a 15-inch, but it's more focused on games, and yeah, that's it. So cool.